Hi, first grade. Good morning. Do you know what special day it is tomorrow? It is Wednesday, but it's also Earth Day. So we are going to be celebrating the Earth all week, but we also want to take some time to celebrate you, and we're going to do that right now. So what I'd like you to do is go ahead and hold up your hand. In a minute, you're going to think of 5 different ways to describe yourself. It might be things that you like I like to play soccer. It might describe your grade or where you live, like I am in first grade. It might describe how you act or how you treat friends, like I am responsible and respectful to my friends. So what we're going to do is every time that you say one of those character traits or one way that describes you and makes you unique, you're going to do a star jump, which goes like this. So you jump up and you say, I'm a star. All right, so let me show you how it works. I'm in first grade. I'm a star. I treat my friends with respect. I'm a star. I like to play soccer. I'm a star. So I just shared 3 different ways to describe myself and what makes me unique. Now it is your turn. Think of 5 ways to describe yourself. So think of one way. Say it out loud, and then make sure you jump and say, I'm a star. All right? Keep celebrating you, and have a great day. Bye.